Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about kingdom fungi. The members of kingdom fungi may be unicellular or multicellular. They are eukaryotes. Their mode of nutrition is they are saprophytic. What are saprophytes? Saprophytes are organisms that feed on dead and decaying organisms. So, members of kingdom fungi or fungus, they feed on dead and decaying organisms and hence they are called saprophytes. Their cell wall is composed of a special type of substance known as chitin. Now let's discuss the uses of fungi. A very common fungus known as Saccharomyces, commonly known as yeast, is used in making bread and alcohol. It is very important during the fermentation and leveling process of baking and alcohol preparation. A few fungus are edible. One of the most common fungi which is eaten is Agaricus bisporus. We commonly call it button mushroom. During the preparation of a special type of cheese known as blue cheese, a fungus, Penicillium roqueforti, is used. We all use soy sauce during the preparation of any Chinese food item. During this preparation of soy sauce, a fungus known as Aspergillus oryzae is used to ferment the soya bean. Many medicines like antibiotics is prepared from fungi. In fact, the first antibiotic was prepared from a fungus known as Penicillium notatum. Alexander Fleming prepared penicillin from this fungus. So the uses of fungi are Agaricus bisporus is an edible fungi. Saccharomyces yeast is used for the fermentation and leavening during the preparation of bread and alcohol. Penicillium roqueforti is used during the preparation of blue cheese. Aspergillus oryzae is used during the preparation of soy sauce. And many fungi are used for the preparation of antibiotics. Alexander Fleming discovered the first antibiotic, penicillin, from Penicillium notatum. Now, let's discuss about harmful fungi. Whereas some fungi can be eaten, some are poisonous. Amanita is one of the most poisonous fungus. A fungus known as tinea causes ringworm in human beings. It also causes another disease known as athlete's foot in human beings. During the monsoons, you will see most of the fruits, vegetables get spoiled due to the growth of fungus. Not only edible things, even leather, wood, they are all damaged by fungus. Mucor is one fungus which spoils food, leather, and wood items. Fungus not only affects human beings, it also causes diseases in plants. One very common disease caused by fungus in plants is known as brown spot in rice. In fact, it also caused a famine in Bengal. The fungus Helminthosporium oryzae causes brown spot in rice. Another disease caused by fungus in plants is early blight in potato. It is caused by a fungus known as Alternaria solani. Amanita is the most poisonous fungi. Tinea causes ringworm and athlete's foot. Mucor causes spoilage of food. Helminthosporium oryzae causes brown spot in rice. And Alternaria solani causes early blight in potato. With this, we complete the discussion about kingdom fungi. Now, let's discuss about the next kingdom, kingdom Plantae. We all have seen plants around us. So let's discuss the characteristics of the members of kingdom Plantae. The members of kingdom Plantae are multicellular organisms. They are eukaryotes. Their mode of nutrition is autotrophic. That means they prepare their own food. They contain a pigment known as chlorophyll, which helps them during photosynthesis, and their cell wall is composed of cellulose. Based on whether plants bear flower and seeds or they do not bear flower and seeds, kingdom Plantae has been classified into cryptogams and phanerogams. Cryptogams are plants that do not bear any flowers and seeds. They are further classified into Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Pteridophyta. Thallophyta are algae, Bryophyta are mosses, and Pteridophyta are ferns. Phanerogams are flowering plants. They bear flowers and seeds. They're divided into two types, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Gymnosperms are those phanerogams that bear naked seeds. That means the seeds are not present within a fruit. Example are the pine trees that you see around you here in school. The cones that are produced by the pine trees are actually the naked seeds. They are not present inside a fruit. Angiosperms are those phanerogams that bear closed seeds. That means their seeds are present inside a fruit. Most of the flowering plants that you see around you are angiosperms. I have given the example of mango. Even apple is an angiosperm. Even the flowers that you see in the garden are angiosperms. So gymnosperms are phanerogams that bear naked seeds, and angiosperms are phanerogams that bear closed seeds. Based on the number of cotyledons, angiosperms may be monocotyledonous or dicotyledonous. A monocotyledonous plant contains a seed with only one cotyledon. Example, maize. A dicotyledonous plant contains a seed with two cotyledons. Example, gram. Depending on whether they are flowering or non-flowering, kingdom Plantae is divided into cryptogams and phanerogams. Cryptogams are non-flowering plants and phanerogams are flowering plants. Cryptogams are further divided into Thallophyta, Bryophyta, and Pteridophyta. Phanerogams are divided into angiosperms and gymnosperms. Angiosperms are further divided into monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Today we discussed about kingdom fungi and kingdom Plantae. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.